Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to permanently delete photos and videos from Microsoft OneDrive, so you can be confident your private files are truly gone and your storage space is freed up. No more lingering worries about what's still in the cloud. By the end of this video, you'll know step by step how to remove files and make sure they're permanently erased, not just sitting in the recycle bin waiting to take up space. Let's jump right in. First, head over to OneDrive, in your web browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. You'll need this access to see all your files, so make sure you're using the account where your photos and videos are stored. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, go ahead and complete that extra security check. It's worth it to keep your files safe. Now, once you're logged in, you'll see the OneDrive interface. Look to the left side navigation panel and click on either My Files, or if you want to focus just on images, the Photos tab. Both sections will display your stored content, so pick whichever makes the most sense for your needs. Take a second to scan through and spot anything you want removed, whether it's ancient screenshots, vacation photos you no longer want, or videos you've already backed up elsewhere. Selecting your items is pretty straightforward. Click the little checkbox that appears when you hover over an image or video. If you've got a whole folder you want to clear out, or you just want to wipe everything, use the Control plus a shortcut on your keyboard. That'll select all the files in the current view, super handy for cleaning up big batches all at once. Don't worry if you accidentally select something, you can always uncheck it before you move on. Once you've made your selection, look up at the top navigation bar. You'll see a delete button. Go ahead and give that a click. The system will likely give you a quick prompt just to make sure you really want to delete these files from your OneDrive. Click to confirm and those items will disappear from your main files area. And this is really important, the files aren't permanently gone just yet. Think of it like when you delete something on your computer, they move to the recycle bin, not into thin air. To clear your storage space completely and truly delete those files forever, you need to empty the OneDrive recycle bin. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a section called Recycle Bin. Click there and you'll see all the files you've recently deleted. They're basically in limbo, waiting to either be restored or permanently erased. Double-check you don't see anything you want to keep, just in case you moved something by mistake. Now at the top of the Recycle Bin page, you'll find the Empty Recycle Bin option. Click this and OneDrive will ask you to confirm one last time. This is your point of no return. When you agree and proceed, those photos and videos are permanently deleted from your account and can't be recovered. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm. The process might take a moment, especially if you're removing a lot at once, so don't worry if the window spins for a few seconds. And that's it. Your selected photos and videos are now gone for good, and you've reclaimed all that storage space instantly. This two-step process, deleting from My Files and then emptying the recycle bin, ensures privacy and helps you stay organized, especially if you're juggling work files, memories, or just trying to keep your cloud tidy. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips to share. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, useful tech tutorials to help you master your favorite tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.